Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be adding a phone mount to the screen of my Tesla Model Y or Model 3. This one's from Basenor. It's one of their newer models, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Let's get into it. Let's talk about everything that comes with this phone mount from Basenor. First off, Basenor sells their products on Amazon, which I love. I love taking advantage of all of Amazon's fast shipping, return policy, all that good stuff. So if you're in the market for a phone mount, make sure you check out this one from Basenor. A really kind of simple product here. You get some adhesive strips, because this is going to be a phone mount that sticks on to your actual back of your screen here. So you get some extra adhesive strips. Looks like you get a nice instruction manual that shows exactly how to install the product and use it and everything like that. I love that. Then the product itself. So if you used these phone mounts before, it's a really nice, just kind of squeezing phone mount that holds onto your phone here, and you rest it right in there. There's a button on the back that extends the actual arms that allows your phone to kind of clamp in there. And you push it closed when your phone's in there and kind of close it on there, and that button opens it back up and releases your phone. And here's the business end where the actual mounting piece goes on your Tesla screen. This is custom designed for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Ys. Let's look at it. You get your kind of knob here, parts are rolling away. Then this is the actual screen. It's really nice sticky adhesive. It's going to mount right on the left corner of our screen there. And then you attach it with some different kind of clamping attachments. So let's head up to that point and we'll get it installed. So moving inside the car, installation actually couldn't be any easier. You're really just going to be peeling off kind of the sticky adhesive that it comes with, and then you choose which side of the screen you want to attach it to. Either the left side of the screen over here, or over on the right side, the passenger side, if you'd rather have your phone mount over there. I'm going to go with the left side of my screen because that's where I'm going to be using my phone most of the time. So that's where I'm going to mount it. The kit also comes with 2 different lengths of extension arms. So if you want a shorter extension from where that mount is, use the short arm. Or if you want the longer extension, use the long arm. I'm going to go with the long one just for the purposes of this review. And it's actually super simple to install. You go ahead and just take your actual sticky adhesive part here, bring the arm that's going to attach to it with the kind of ridges you can kind of see and how they interlock into the ridges on this one. If I can get the light there. Put those together, and then use the tightening screw, the little clamp screw that it comes with to tighten everything together. And here's where you kind of position where you think you're actually going to have your device. So it just locks those teeth in together, those kind of gear teeth, and then you lock it down and it becomes a super sturdy, not going anywhere tight mount. So that's really cool. On the back of the phone holder itself is this actual little loosening screw. So if you just loosen that a little bit, it's actually going to be able to pop right onto the ball socket of this piece. And make sure you push that in together, then you can tighten that down as tight as you want it. But this allows your phone to be almost in any orientation as you attach it there. I think it's going to be just like that. That holds your phone in a really nice, comfortable angle. So you can see it while you're driving. If you do Uber or anything like that, a really nice kind of comfortable angle when you put your phone into it. So I went ahead and installed the phone mount on the left side of my screen here just by peeling off the sticky back and making sure it's a nice adhesion to this side of the screen. And it looks really great. It's nice and sturdy on there. So I really like that. I have my phone here, so I'm just going to go ahead and place it in this kind of clamping mechanism and push those with my fingers to kind of lock them down. Now my phone's nice and secure in there. It's a really nice, sturdy kind of connection. I can even tighten it down more if I want by tightening the little circle clamp on the back of the arm here, or even the other arm here to adjust the position. But in this position, I can turn my phone horizontal if I want to look at Google Maps, if I want more of a navigation type feel, or really whatever I want to do if I'm doing Uber or things like that. This is a really nice phone mount. It's really sturdy. I think when I'm driving down the road, I won't have any issues with this vibrating around or really having any problems at all. And then to release the phone again, just push the button on the back and it extends those arms and grab your phone. So overall, this is a really nice phone mount from Basenor. They really do a good job with their accessories for Teslas. I love that they sell their products on Amazon. They're really fast shipping. They're a really great company to work with. So appreciate them sending this over to me for review. I love that you can have your phone right here on your screen. I see so many forum posts and so many posts from people saying, how can I get Google Maps on my Tesla? How can I get YouTube Music? Things like that. How can I get Apple CarPlay? I want all of these things in my Tesla. How do I get it? The easiest solution is probably just buy a mount for your phone. So you have it right there. If you're going to ignore the Tesla UI and all the things that come with owning a Tesla, and you have to have your Google Maps, you have to have your Android Auto, your Waze, your Apple CarPlay, just use your phone. This is probably the easiest way to do it. I like this mount from Basenor. It's really sturdy, super simple to install, and really inexpensive too. Yes, you can get more expensive phone mounts out there if you want, but this is going to be my choice every time. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel and checking it out. If you're interested in this product, I'll have a link to it down in the description, as well as a ton of other products from Basenor on Amazon that I've used, I've reviewed on the channel, and I really like them. They're inexpensive, they're quality products, so make sure you check them out. Also, check out my link tree down in the description below for a link to all of the products I reviewed on the channel. There's a review video with every one of those products, so make sure you check all those out as well. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel, and we'll catch you out in the next video.